Good morning. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes with your West Tennessee Weather Online weather briefing for Thursday morning, January the 28th. Well, we're looking for the prospects of a winter storm still across our region. The storm system passing to our south will be bringing significant wintry precipitation to the region during the next 48 hours. It looks like that the greatest impact is going to come late tonight through the day on Friday. Winter storm watches still in effect for West Tennessee from Thursday night, late Thursday night, on into Friday evening. Warnings and advisories could be issued later today. Here's the current setup across the region of the winter storm watches. Winter storm watches over about the western two-thirds of West Tennessee. The areas in pink, you can see the winter storm warnings that are already posted. We'll look for probably some pink areas affecting Tennessee here in the next 24 hours. The leading edge of the colder air that's moving into the area is along this cold front stretching from eastern Kentucky on into southern Arkansas. And so colder air will be creeping into our area throughout the day today, and you will be noticing how that is getting colder today. You'll notice also that increase in cloudiness and the thickening of the cloudiness will also lead to some precipitation that could be in the form of rain. Now, this is scattered rain moving into West Tennessee by this evening, just a scattering. The main frozen precipitation is still back in northern Arkansas by this evening, but it's going to be advancing in our direction. And we'll look, this is midnight weather map, and again, the frozen precipitation beginning to move into West Tennessee by midnight and overspread the area. All of this frozen precipitation taking the form of snow, freezing rain, sleet, and at different times through the period as it moves across the area. Now, as the low pressure system moves into an area near New Orleans, we'll see the bulk of the precipitation to our east Friday evening. However, lingering snows are still back over the area, so that will continue into Friday night. Right now it looks like the ice situation should pan out like this according to the National Weather Service. Could be at least a quarter of an inch of ice accumulation, maybe up to a half an inch in some spots along the I-40 corridor. So keep that in mind. We'll be watching that. Outside of that I-40 corridor, in the white area you see here, we're looking for at least a tenth of an inch of an accumulation. As far as snow is concerned, from roughly Dyersburg to Camden, north of that line, we're looking for 4 or more inches of snow according to the National Weather Service. And then south of that line to a line from northern Shelby County to, let's say, up near Parsons, we've got an area of 2 to 4 inches of snow accumulation. South of that line, including the Memphis metro area over Savannah, we've got 1 to 2 inches of snow accumulation. Now, this is a graphic of my snowfall projections right now. I'm kind of leaning toward a heavier snow event, and that's kind of where I am right now. This is subject to change as well, but you can see we've got a 3 to 6 inch swath through the middle part of West Tennessee, and the heavier amounts roughly from Dyersburg over to Camden certainly is consistently what we're seeing, that the heavier amounts are going to certainly be in the northern parts of West Tennessee, and then you taper it off to less than an inch by the time you get to the Mississippi state line. So the uncertainties continue as far as the exact placement of the precipitation types, the ice and the snow, and we're going to better handle on that. That and the fact of when the changeover from freezing to frozen precipitation occurs will all affect the final accumulation, so it is important to stay abreast of the latest forecast. Well, thanks for viewing today's weather briefing. We'll have more information later on. Hope you have a great day.